Welcome to Fonts Learn. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install Material Designs using Lollipop controls. To play the demo, you should create a new Windows Forms application, then install the Material Design library from the Manage Nugget packages. This is a library for creating Android Lollipop controls. You can use this library to create material designs. After installing the library, you need to rebuild your project, then you can see the library automatically added to the Visual Studio toolbox. You can create a simple Windows Forms application by dragging material controls from the Visual Studio toolbox into your WinForm. As you can see, the material controls support multiple controls such as button, text box, checkbox, label, etc. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.